Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Steve, Putnwork Steve, back with another video, man. And I told y'all I got some heat for y'all, right? I told y'all I got some heat for y'all. I got a clear, all-white box right here. Don't worry, everything is sealed in right now. So y'all probably don't even know what the heck I got. Or some of y'all is not, illiterate. Maybe y'all did read the title, What I'm Unboxing. But these are the sneakers that I got from the mall from my last video. Hopefully y'all watched it. Alright, now I did go to the mall because I did buy a few things, but I'll show y'all some other time. Maybe you'll see it in the videos, that my future videos that I'm going to be posting. I really wanted to go right ahead and get my my chain fixed, okay, because I broke the little attachment on there. But besides all that, we're gonna stop all that because this video is not talking about my chain or anything like that at the mall or anything like that. Hopefully y'all watch the video. But I got this clear all white box right here, and we're going to do an unboxing. Now, I never did an unboxing before, but I'm telling y'all this, I love things like this. I also watch videos like this, and I'm always gonna bring some new heat here, there, and anytime that I felt like just dropping new heat for y'all. You feel me? But if you are new to this channel, don't forget to go right ahead and hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and share it, because you're the best. All right. And again, my name is Putnwork Steve himself. Always gonna come back with more videos. But yo, I'm a hot boy right now, and there's some hot flaming heat sneaks in here right now. So we can go right ahead and just open the box as we speak right now. Okay, here we go. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't. Vans. Hold on, wait. Sorry, now let me stop messing with y'all. Wait a minute. So y'all was like, oh snap, yo, like he about to unbox something. He about to unbox something crazy. Hold on, wait. Let's cut this. Let's get back to it. Hold on, I got y'all. I got some heat. I'm messing with y'all. Yo, y'all was about to say like, oh, wait a minute, put my glasses back on. Yo, wait a minute. Yo, as y'all can look at the box, let me zoom in just a little bit more, the lighting and everything like that. I got some Jordans right here. Now, these are the Jordan 12s that I had got today, man. Shouts out to all the sneaker stores. Shouts out to all the sneakerhead. Yo, look, I got some heat for y'all. If y'all want to stay tuned and finish watching this video, man. These are something I think everybody should have in their feet, but it's gonna add to my collection. You feel me? Now, just looking at this box, I do, collect stuff like crazy, like weird stuff. I am a hoarder, so I like this box, so I will be keeping this box. Whew. Wait a minute, that's some heat. You know how when you grilling and you just rise that lid up, and the flames and everything, just the smoke be popping up. It's that heat. You're like, oh, wait a minute, hold on, whoa, wait a minute. Anyway, so I got this heat, man. So y'all ready for it? These are the Retro 12s Jordans, okay? The Retro 12s Jordans, all right? These are all white, varsity red 12s. Y'all ready for it? Y'all ready for it? Yo, look at this. I just got a Steve Jr. A Steve Jr. Look at this. Do y'all see this? Yo, look at this. Oh my gosh. Hold on, wait. Let me get a moment. Hold on, wait. Cut the umbilical cord. Do y'all see this? Yo, look at this. Oh man, like when I seen these, I fell in love. Let me just explain this to y'all. I am a very, 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 very big person on sneakers. I have a lot of sneakers. I still need to put out my sneaker collection just to show y'all what type of heat I have. But yo, I just had to cop these today, man. I really did have to cop these today. You gotta take a look at them. You know, these things are just fresh, man. These are fresh. They got some, you know, words in the back, man. I don't even know what they say, but you know, hey, look. It's the Putnwork way. Putnwork, Steve, man. I just birthed a new baby. You get what I'm saying? And you know, every time you get a brand new shoe, what do we always do? Yeah, that's what we do, you feel me? But I'm not gonna lick it all away. But like I said, this is the heat right now, baby, and I'm always gonna bring some more heat for y'all. And I appreciate for those that are still here with me, man, checking this video out. I'll let y'all check more of this out. I'm gonna take a couple, you know, shots and, you know, roam around the whole entire sneaker and just let y'all check it out for yourselves. And if y'all do have them, you know, rock them. Make sure you take care of them, just like I had to take care of all my shoes. And I had to figure out real fast just to show y'all the ugly type of Vans. Not saying Vans is not ugly. I still rock my Vans now, but you know, I had to show y'all. I just wanted to play with y'all just a little bit. But this is my heat, man. This is my heat. This is my heat. Like I said, man, I'm proud of myself because I am working hard. I work every single day, and I need to push out more videos for y'all so that way y'all can just, you know, film, so that way y'all can just see me, you know, having beautiful heat for y'all, man. I want to give y'all ideas of like ways to sit there and dress, things to do, you get what I'm saying? But I'm Putnwork Steve himself, always gonna come back with more videos. Shout out to everybody that's viewing this. Peace.